y'all, it's Emily, and this week I am finally doing a video that I have promised y'all for so long, and that is a room tour. I've done 2 room tours in the past, and I'll put them in that corner, but my room has changed so much from both of those videos, so let's just start this room tour and get straight to the point. Let's start with the bed. So there is currently a dog on my bed. This is realistically what my bed will look like. And currently on either side I just have a polka dotted gray pillowcase and a green and white checkered pillowcase, which is the same as my bedspread. And then I have this soft little fluffy blanket that one side's like that gray soft and the other side's like sheep-ish, but fake, obviously. Now these I've had, I think, in all of my videos, as well as my headboard, but my bed's always been the same. So let's move to something that's slightly different. Now this table I've had for a little bit. On this table I just keep my Bible study and my Bible and my alarm clock. I also keep a jar of pens. Also I have my chapstick jar. Comment of the video, comment how many chapsticks that you think I have, and then I will count them all and tell you if you're right. That in that jar is not all the chapsticks that I have, so just comment how many that you think I have. Moving on to the other side of my bed, here is my bird cage. These are my birds, so Meat, Pineapple, and Passion. They're not very camera friendly. That's my little bird cage, and it's on just a white table that's been in all of my videos. And underneath it I just keep 2 blankets, which I use to cover the birds at night, because in the morning they will wake up and start squawking as soon as the sun comes up. Next, moving on to my curtains. Now technically my curtains have stayed basically the same, so I just got the same types of curtains again, but longer this time. And then they're on like a little curtain rod that has like marbled ends. So cute. Here we have this mirror I got in a haul, which I will link in the corner. But then we have this, a friend gave it to me a while ago. This used to have a plant in it. I need to get a new plant because the plant died because it froze. And then this is a tea set that one of my aunts gave me from China. And then my 2 pairs of sunglasses. And this is a picture of Blueberry. If y'all remember Blueberry, my sister etched it out for me a while ago. Next we have my December calendar. I should be getting a new calendar soon for next year, but that's just where I keep my calendar. Now moving on in a circle around my room, here's my mirror. And then here we have my leather jacket. I just keep it there because it's so big to go anywhere. Next, moving on to this little section, I have my 3-tiered cart, which I got it and I thought it was so cute. On my rack I just keep my bullet journal stuff. So then I just got my paintbrushes and nail paint brushes, some pens, some Sharpies and more bullet journal pens, and my washi tape. All in jars on the top. And then in here I have my memory box. And then I just randomly put a candle, this one's Peach Balloon from Bath & Body Works, and then a little lotion. And down at the bottom, I just randomly put in a blanket, and then I just keep my computer there. Next on this side, I have my Y'all Raven Cake and backpack. Now, I already did a backpack tour, so I'll link it in the corner. Go watch that. Here we have my vanity and my Polaroid wall. This is all the Polaroids that I own. I put them all up even if they're literally blank. So yeah, I just put them all around my vanity because I wanted to display them. And then here we have this mirror. It's the mirror you saw at the beginning of the video. We have this shell jar it's got shells from all of the beaches that I've been to. Okay, so then I have my alarm clock that used to be my alarm clock before I got the other one. And then I have another candle from Bath & Body Works. This is just the New York City Champagne Toast candle, and I got it because I like the smell and because it's New York and it's city. Then here's my light box. So right now I literally just put sparkle like you mean it on. Comment also below something that I should put on my light box because I don't know what to put. Next I've got my Polaroid camera, and on it it's got a few stickers. And then next to it I have this cute little plant pot that I got in a haul. I'll link the haul in the corner, and it's just got all my makeup brushes in it and a toothbrush because I don't have an eyebrow spoolie yet. And then underneath it, it's just got this teal and gold little chair. And then here, one of my favorite parts of my room, here's my photo wall. It took forever putting it up. I basically just went on Google and Googled quotes, sunflower aesthetics, beach aesthetics, pink aesthetics, just random things until I got a wall full of things that I love and think are so cute. And It's such a fun wall. It just like makes my room mine, and I love that. Next, we are moving on to my closet, which is right here, and I love my closet. Let's start from the top. So here I have my suitcase, and I have a blanket on top of it, then this random basket that a friend got me in a gift, and I just keep it because I think it's cute. These are my FabFitFun box, a Tarte box, and I'm just keeping these so that I can wrap Christmas gifts in them, and then this is full of smaller little boxes that I can wrap too. I have a drill team bag from last year and the year before, and then a drill team bag from this year with my palms, my makeup bag. This is a mess. So this is just a bag full of bags. It was my backpack from last year, and that's everything there. So then on this side we have just my shoe racks and my drawers because I don't have a dresser. This one's a mess. It just holds a bunch of my purses and bags as well as my mom's. And then here we have pajama bottoms, tank tops, and socks. And here we have my swimsuits, a random dress that I've never worn, and some beanies and other hats. This drawer we have my leggings in it and like dance stuff. Here I keep my pants. I'm actually doing my laundry today, so there's not a lot. Here's my shorts. Normally it would also be full. And then here we keep just my towels and a random pillowcase and this little hot pack. But my room has this random thing built into the wall. So here I have a shoebox full of my books, my memory box from last year. I literally keep every like reusable shopping bag. So in here we just have Forever 21 bags, Ulta bags, and other shopping bags that are reusable. And then we have my only stuffed animal basically. And then here we have a bag full of miniature bags in there. And then here we have a gift bag full of gift bags and like tissue paper. And then let's move to the bottom. I should have done this before. Here to the side we have my yoga mat from my FabFitFun unboxing. I'll link that in the corner. And then we have all my shoes. I'll go through a few of my favorite ones. I got my Michael Kors, my Anne Kleins. These are so cute. My knockoff Birkenstocks, Converse. Those are my dance shoes. And then we have a bunch of other random ones. Okay, so this is my like closet, like my actual clothing. Normally it's like all the way out here, but I'm doing my laundry today. A few of my newer pieces, I don't think I did a haul, but I've been shopping at H&M a lot recently because I work near there. So I have this dress that I haven't worn yet, and then I have this dress. You can't even see them, but anyways, these are just all my clothes. They're color coordinated. And then next, I love this part. I knew I needed this in my closet. I literally love it. But we just have a bunch of nail polish racks. Then over here, this is my whiteboard. I want to hang it up so where it's right here. Okay, so here I'm in my bathroom now. That was all of my closet tour, so now onto the bathroom part of my tour. So first, I have a bunch of pink towels in my bathroom because my aesthetic of my bathroom is pink, white, and gold, basically. So I have a lot of pink and gold things in here. And then down here we have this wall plug, but I can't put it in often because my birds are sensitive to smell. And then here I have this cute little mirrored platter with all my skincare items in it. If you're interested in my skincare items or like hair care or anything like that, I can make a video full of all of the things that I use. So comment if you're interested. Then this cute little plant pot that's from a haul that I linked earlier. It has my toothpaste and floss in it. And then I have my toothbrush and then a random candle that a friend got me. And then, okay, this is from a friend. I just hold my rings and earrings that I use on a daily basis in there. And then I have my soap. And then my favorite perfume is In the Sun. This is what I use in my hair currently. Then we got my deodorant. So next I have my jewelry rack, which I don't love the rack, but I like having my jewelry available so I can see everything. We've just got some earrings, bracelets, more earrings, and then all my necklaces and like chokers. Then down here, this plant a friend got me and I love him so much. Right next to him is the spray bottle that I used to water him with. I don't know why I'm calling it a him, it's just a plant. So here's my shower curtain, but moving beside that first, I have this thing which is so useful, but it honestly looks like a cluttered mess. So I use it a lot and I like having things readily available there. It's just full of random things. Then we've got my hair turban hair towel and other towels that I showed already. Next we have my little Los Angeles picture frame because I just wanted a little bit of Los Angeles in my life. And then up there I just have 3 plants. All of them are plants that I dug from my old house and just took with me. Also, I love that there's a window in my bathroom. Next, so my shower curtain. It's just golden white. Here's my shower. So this is the one thing that I got to pick out from like when they were building it, and it's like the tile that goes around my shower. But anyways, in here, this is my little nook in the shower. So these I recently got a few days ago, but these are from Target, I think, and they're just gold little soap bottles that I put my shampoo and conditioner in because I thought it looked so cute. Next, this is the face soap that I use. I just keep it in my shower, and then this is my Tarte scrublet that I use with it. Then I have some shaving cream, some body wash, my Tina Clarity cleanser that I use only to remove makeup. We have my tea tree oil that I will mix in with my shampoo and conditioner because it makes my hair healthier. Then here, this is from Bath & Body Works. My best friend and I got it together, but I just like hook my loofah on it, and then I've got my razor and a little ponytail holder. So that's everything in my shower, and that's everything in my room tour. Okay, so basically I just went